Telecom Infra Project has developed an open source optical transmission tool to enable accurate prediction of multi-vendor optical network performance. Talking about this in the Market Focus today has been Microsoft Optical Network Architect Mark Filer. Mark, thanks for joining us. First of all, tell us what led to the development of this tool.
Yeah, with the movement of a lot of the big cloud guys in particular to the open and disaggregated optical network model, there was an identified need in that community of the ability to disaggregate and separate out the transponder and the transport layer, and in doing so, the need for a modeling mechanism to accurately predict how the transport the transport effects would affect the optical transceivers and so on. So basically a way to perform the link budgeting that you need to know to deploy these networks at scale. Up until this point, there were only closed proprietary tools that were locked in with the vendors of the transponder and the line system modules. So we felt like working through an open forum like TIP was a good place to develop such a tool that operators such as Microsoft and others could then adopt it themselves.
Because it sounds like there's going to be several significant benefits for service providers.
Right. Yeah, so I mean the primary benefit is it allows us, like I was saying earlier, to disaggregate the line systems from the transponders. What that lets us do is take the line systems, amortize that over time as a long-term asset, because line system technology is fairly mature. And so by taking the transponders, which have a faster product life cycle, 3 years, 5 years, and the line system separately, we're able to deploy our transponders at a faster rate without having to upgrade our entire infrastructure. And on top of that, it gives you a capital benefit, because you're not having to pay a lot of the proprietary secret sauce that goes in. You can source your transponders from multiple providers and your line system from one of those or someone else entirely.
Yeah, absolutely. Tell us a bit more about TIP and what you do.
Sure. So yeah, the TIP, which is Telecom Infra Project, it was founded kind of as a sister organization to OCP, the Open Compute Project. The OCP is focused a bit more inside the data centers. TIP is focused more on transport and kind of in that same space as the wireless, cellular, and backhaul and things like that. So it has different subgroups within TIP. The one I participated in, which this project was a part of, was the Open Optical Packet Transport. It's OOPT. And that's really focused on trying to bring these open disaggregated systems to market by developing the tools and APIs needed to deploy these things at scale.
Okay, Mark, well, thanks for talking to us at Market Focus.
Sure, thanks. Appreciate it.